2 days to go. Why? Because it's lockdown day 48 and it's really windy this morning. It's a lot cooler, it's quite dull, yeah, very windy. I've already collected the camera. Last night I couldn't put it where I suggested I was going to put it because I just couldn't attach it to the tree. So it had already gone fairly dark, so it was a bit of a panic as to where to put it. So I just headed back towards my apartment and I just placed it somewhere in the woods. But I've just been to get it now and all the bait was still there. So I think we'll mark that down as a no-show before I've even checked. So I'm just going to carry on now, just into the fields for a bit of a wander and see what today brings. So yesterday I wanted to vary my sort of fitness regime, so I went out for I think it was about 15 kilometres bike ride, nice and sunny. I went out about 10 in the morning, so yeah, it was good to get out on the bike, do something different for once. Yeah, that's where I planned to put the camera. But I thought that was like a route going round, an ivy route, but it wasn't. When I got here I thought it's only a hawthorn. Can't really attach the camera to that. So yeah, wasn't able to put it there last night, which is a shame. I didn't do much filming this morning. I was really tired. I think all these early get-ups are catching up with me a little bit. So I literally just grabbed the camera, all the bait was still there. I just had a bit of a scoot round the field and and I just went back to the apartment, jumped back in bed, just checked the footage just in case, but no, there was nothing there at all. Well, actually there was a cat, but we don't count that. So yeah, I'm out this evening, really quite cold. Well, not cold, but it's chilly. The last couple of nights I've just been going out with my jacket on and a base layer, but this evening I've got my fleece on underneath as well because it's quite cool. So yeah, I've come out a little bit earlier because I just wanted to make up for not recording much this morning. So we'll have a bit of a wander around and then we'll place the camera later on. I won't say where, but it's somewhere I've been before. There's a lot of buttercups appearing now. I think these are called field buttercups because they're a lot taller than the standard ones that you get in your garden. Yeah, there's loads cropping up. Look nice. Now I did mention there'll be a prize for the winner of the competition, and there will be. However, I'm starting to panic a bit because of only a couple of days to go now, and it still hasn't arrived. So closing date for the competition is going to be, I said about lockdown video 53, I think I decided on. So I've got a little bit of leeway, hopefully arrive in time. And anybody who enters, I will list the name on the screen for everybody who entered. Not long now. In fact, I'll go as far to say this second field is absolutely full of buttercups because of the long grass. Oh, I'll stop tripping up. Because of the long grass, you struggle to see them all. It's only because there's no long grass here that you can see them. I've just walked all the way around and they're absolutely everywhere. It's just a wash of yellow. One last look at the field this evening before we head back into the woods. Of course I will be returning here later on when it's gone dark. I'm just going to show you how the light changes once you enter the woods. If only I had night vision. there's not as many people out this evening. In fact, I'd go as far as to say I haven't seen anybody yet. Yesterday evening, there's people everywhere. Even about 9:45, there's still people out. Some are even still out on the fields playing, on the playing fields, playing football. People on bikes, all the dog walkers. Nobody this evening. It's no surprise though. It's pretty cold. Our hands are really cold. But we'll battle on. Well, it might be cold and it might be windy, but we're still treated to a nice sunset. That was quite a menacing cloud. Hope it doesn't rain tonight. Right, well, we're barely any light left now. I'm just off to go and set the camera. So I hope you enjoyed that and you're keeping warm, unlike myself. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button up here or the one down below. Leave a comment as always. Don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.